the drone is approximately at the 0,0 position, and now I'm going to start the task. 3, 2, 1. The drone has just armed and taked off, and it goes to next waypoint and direct to the yellow box and publishing for geo-referencing, and it goes to next waypoint, and going back for next waypoint. And it comes to center and to go for the next scanning of the arena. The drone scans yellow box and aligns with it, and now it publishes for geo-referencing and goes to next waypoint, and it goes sprint. The yellow box is still not detected because it is already detected, so now it goes for next waypoint, and it goes to the last waypoint and going to next it goes to 0,0 waypoint, and it starts landing at 0,0, approximately at 0,0. The drone is landing. 3. The drone is landed, and now now just check pages. The 2 positions has been plotted. Thank you, Yantra, for this wonderful opportunity.